excitement that I welcome you to this exceptional event. Our conference APM 4.0 LEAD symbolizes the intersection of innovation, leadership, in engineering, and advantage, all within the framework of asset management in the age of Industry 4.0. You are the lifeblood of this event. Your belief in our vision and your commitment to the APM 4.0 LEAD mission are the cornerstones of our success. It is not just about bringing people together. It is about creating an environment where ideas flourish, innovations take root, and collaborations thrive. It is about fostering a community of individuals passionate about pushing the boundaries of knowledge, sharing your expertise, and collectively shaping the future.
We recognize that leadership in asset management is a journey marked by inspiration, innovation, and impactful change. So by championing effective asset management, we guarantee our organization's success and continue to a brighter, more sustainable future. And you can too.
Your knowledge in sharing your expertise will inspire and educate, and setting the stage for meaningful discussions and future innovations. You are the heart of our conference, sparking new ideas, challenging paradigms, and providing valuable insights to our plenary sessions.
By prioritizing employee well-being and safety, managing risks while, encouraging innovation and transformation, and involving employees in the process, companies can foster a dynamic and forward-thinking culture that will ensure the safety and growth of employees and the progress of the business.
Let's assure them. And when they get to have that assurance, you maintain the level of engagement of employees. And when people are engaged, they are committed to go with the transformation and the change.
Short interval control. See something today, do something today.
What gets measured gets managed. So if you have the right measures in place and you monitor those, they will get managed at the end of the day.
So benchmark, get to know each other. Join organizations like AMRPP.
Cost, risk, and performance. You just focus on those three and put those in equilibrium. Everything will be fine when it comes to your asset management system performance.
Again, at the end of the day, it's outcome driven. Whether that would be for profit, for ESG, or for delivering the best public services. That for us, and in terms of the government, that is what an effective asset management means.
Your support forms the foundation of this conference. Your commitment allows us to provide a world-class experience and make a lasting impact in our industry. Let us unite a forgettable and inspiring conference for all. Welcome once again to APM 4.0 LEAD, where innovation, leadership, and the power of collaboration come together to shape the future of asset management while simultaneously fostering global peace, prosperity, and sustainability. Maraming salamat po.
safe and reliable operations. That is what success looks like after implementing asset integrity.
We should have more sessions like this. Gather people of common interests. Let's have built a community of practice, right? Let's learn from each other. That's key. That's key to growth. Let's be kids. Let's come together. Let's build a playground, right? Let's have fun. I think that's all the best we can be is when learning is fun. I think that's where we excel in.